been at Prolific for over 3 years now, and what really struck me was the scope of the work to be done. And now 3 years on, I can truly say I've done all of that and more. I just can't wait for the next 3 years.
It was really about the team. I found that the people I could have worked with and the people that had already built an amazing product were the ones that I really wanted to be around and could develop with and grow my career with.
What made me join Prolific was just how well the interview process was and how they really looked after me as a candidate. Like having good luck emails in the morning, have conversations during the interview stage rather than firing questions at me. I found that to be really nice and really welcoming.
The mission and the purpose that the company has, I think is really, really good. And we're on a mission to change the world, and we're going to do it.
I think being a mom in tech, it provides me the flexibility that I need, so I love it. And I absolutely fell in love with the culture even before I started here, even before I applied for the role. I was like, I'd love to work for them someday, and it happened.
I think Prolific is a really unique company, and I think Prolific has a real opportunity to change the world, and I just want to be part of that journey.